Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2002 Panoz Esperante convertible. Founded in Houston, Georgia in 1989 by Dan Panoz, Panoz has a unique history of sports cars and racing cars continuing into present day. It started with a unique open-wheel roadster and soon transformed into a more luxurious and high-respected bespoke car maker. Panoz began racing in 1997, which helped spread the name of the company and allowed them to develop new advanced technologies that would soon find their way into the Panoz road cars. The Esperante was originally released in 2000 and is still being produced new with some updates. The Esperante was available in both coupe and convertible forms, with our example being a desirable drop-top model. The exterior is finished in a unique shade of black metallic and features a black soft top with contrasting stitching. The Esperante certainly was unique and distinguishable styling, unlike any other car on the road. From its distinctive headlights to the center exit exhaust, the design is one of a kind. The Esperante's chassis is made from lightweight aluminum, and the body is made of a mixture of aluminum and carbon fiber parts, making it highly advanced for its day. The suspension is fully independent front and rear, with SLA double wishbones and coilovers in the front, and double wishbones with horizontally opposed pushrod coilovers in the rear. It rides on special 18-inch BBS Alloy Wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich G4 Super Sport tires. Other features include 4-wheel vented power disc brakes with ABS, traction control, cruise control, power windows, power top, air conditioning, and an upgraded Kenwood stereo. The interior sports tan leather with carbon fiber accents on the center console, dash, doors, and sills. The driver's side seat is 8-way power adjustable for your convenience and comfort. To this day, Panoz continues to take part in the racing around the world and manufacturing bespoke road-going automobiles for their customers who demand nothing but the best and most distinctive American supercars available. This tried and true 2002 Esperante convertible is a testament to Panoz's attention to quality and detail in all their cars. Also included are a collection of pamphlets, booklets, and flyers from Panoz, as well as a Panoz branded car cover, as well as toolkit mounted in the trunk. Under the hood is a stout 4.6-liter dual overhead cam 32-valve V8 from the Mustang Cobra, connected to a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Also in the engine bay, you'll find 2 plaques with the names of each person who worked on the car engraved onto them, and a small center plaque with a particular car's unique factory-given name, Rebecca.